dog today, Dad.
Take it back to where you got it.
Why? Mom told me we could get him.
Honey, what did I say about getting a dog? Well, this is your responsibility, and I'm not helping you out. That means you gotta take it for walks so we can go to the bathroom. You gotta feed it food and water, and I'm not buying it. And when we go away for a couple days, you're the one that's gonna be finding a place for it to stay, okay?